Hello students, today I am teaching you class 7 mathematics chapter 5 exponents and powers. Exponents and powers. Let us suppose that all of you know that the distance between the earth and the sun is very large. And let us suppose that large distance is in between the sun and the earth position. And we know that our earth lies in a galaxy and the galaxy is called Akashganga. And the width of our galaxy is about 946 000 kilometer. How can we read this large quantity, or how can we return this large quantity in short form or briefly? Exponent is the way to write a large number in a short form. For example, we can write this large distance in short form like this. First of all, count the zero from the right side. How many zero are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we can write this number as 10 raised to power 15 in this way. Kilometer. And more precisely, we can also write this number as, if we count these two number also, into the power of the base of 15, 9.46 into 10 raised to power 17 kilometer. So I know that this is a large quantity. To more basically about this, how to express a large quantity or large number in a brief or short form, this is called exponent form. Exponent form of the number, or we can say that exponential form. Let us try to know how a large number we can write in this exponential form. Suppose that we have a number 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 and so on up to this. So how can we write this number in short form? To write this number in short form, first of all count how many 3's are here in multiplication. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 times 3 multiply with each other, so we can write 3. And how many times, number of times multiplied the number 3 is written at its top. And the repeating number here is what? 3 is the repeating number, means 3 is repeat 6 times. So the number which is repeated is called base, and how many times the number is repeated is called exponent, or it may be called power, or it may be called index. So to represent a large number in this form, as I written, this form is called exponent form or exponential form, and by using this exponential form we can represent a large number into the short form. The number is repeated is called base of the exponent form, and how many times this number is represented is called exponent or power or index of the base. So how can we read this number? This number is read as 3 to the power 5, or in another way also we can read as 3 raised to the power 5. 3 raised to the power 5 means exponent or exponential form is used to represent a large number in the short form, and we can read a large number easily and more understanding way. Suppose that this time we take another example, 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 multiply 10. So this is a large number. How can we write this number in exponential form? First of all, count how many times this 10 is multiplied. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 is multiplied here 6 times. How many times? 6 times. And what number is multiplied? 10. So 10 is written as base. And how many times this 10 is written is represented as the power of the 10. And this 10 is called base, and its power is called exponent, power, or indices. So, how can we read this number? We can read as 10 raised to the power 6. Take another example. This time we write a number as like this. Write this number in short form, or we can say that exponential form. To write this number in exponential form, first of all, again count how many zeros are present here, because it is the short form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means this number is formed by multiplying 10 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then we get this number. So if we write this number in short form or exponential form, we have to need here to count how many zeros are available in this large number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 zeros are available in this large number, so we can write this number in exponential form. 10 is the base of this number, and 7 times 0 is repeated here, so its power is called 7, and we read as 10 raised to the power 7 of this number. In this way, if we talk about this generally, in general we can represent any number any rational number, and if it is repeated n times, we can write as, in generally, any rational number suppose that we take number a here and a positive integer that is called n, we can represent this number in exponential form as a raised to the power n, and in large form we can write as a multiply a multiply a multiply a into up to n times. We can write here up to n times we can write here. So generally if you have a number a into a into a into a up to n times, we can write this number in exponential form as a is the base of the number, and how many times repeated this a number is n times, so its power is n, and we can read as a raised to the power a raised to the power n. A raised to the power n. Suppose that here we have 4 multiply 4. How can we written this number in short form? We can write as 4 as a base, and the power of this 4 is, we can decide it by counting this number 1 and 2 times this 4 is repeated, so its power is called 2. And another number 4 multiply 4 multiply 4, if it is repeated it 3 times, so we can write as base as a 4 and its power is 3, because 4 is repeated here 3 times. When a number is repeated 2 times, then we can call the power of 2 square. The power of 2 is called square. So how can we read as this number? We can also read as 4 square. 4 raised to the power 2 is also right, but if the power is 2, so we can also read as 4 square, as a 4 square. And if the power is 3, then power 3 is called cube. So we can read as this number 4 cube. 4 raised to the power 3 is the another way for reading this number. But if the power is 3, we can also read as 4 cube, and power is 2, we can also read this number as 4 square. Next time, suppose that we have a number 5 2 times, so we can say that 5 square. If this number 5 is repeated 3 times, then we can say that 5 cube. Suppose that we have 7 2 times, so we can say that 7 square, means 7 raised to the power 2. Square means power is 2, cube means power is 3. Remember this point. If the power is square, it means power is 2, and if the power is a cube, then it means the power is 3. This time 8 is multiplied 3 times, so we can read as also 8 cube, and in another way we can also read as 8 raised to the power 3. Suppose that we have a number -2. How can we write this number in short form? -2 as a base, and -2 is repeated 2 times, so its power is 2, and we can read as power, if power is 2, we can read as -2 square, or -2 raised to the power 2. -2 raised to the power 2. And if you solve this number, more -2 to the power square means we get minus multiply minus plus, and 2 2 ja 4. So here we get a result +4. We get a result +4, but the original number is a negative number. A negative number results a positive number. How can it possible? Suppose this time we take another example, 3 multiply 3. So we can write this number in short form, -3 as a base, and its power is cube or 3. And after solving this number, we get minus multiply minus plus, plus multiply minus, 3 3 ja 9 and 9 3 ja 27. But this time we get negative number in the result. So we lead to a conclusion that if the power is a even number, then we get a positive number. If a negative rational number to the power is an even number, then we get result of positive number, because -2 is a negative number and its power is an even number, so we get answer as a positive number. In the next example, we see that if this number is -3 is a negative number and its power is a odd number, then the answer we obtained is also a negative number. Suppose that two multiply -2, -2, this time -2 is repeated 4 times. So what we will get the answer if the -2 is a negative number and its power is a positive number or even number power. -2 is a negative number and its power is a even number, so what answer we will get is always a positive number. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16 plus 16, which is a positive number. Next is, if -2 is repeated five times, 1 2 3 4 5, so -2 as a base and its power is 5, and 5 is a even number, odd number power, so we will get the answer a negative number because its power is an odd number. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, and -32 is the answer. Here we get the +16 answer. So power of a negative number is also very essential concept for obtaining the answer. If the power is an even number, then we get always a positive number of the negative number, and if the power of a negative number is an odd number, then we get the answer as a negative number, as you see in these two examples. So write down a note for these two examples. A negative rational number raised to an even power is positive. Means if a negative rational number raised to a even power, then we get the result as a positive number. Another point is that a negative rational number raised to an odd number power is negative. It means if a negative rational number raised to an odd number power, as you seen in this example, we get a negative number. So, on the basis of this topic, I will give you some homework questions. I hope all of you do these questions. Question 1 is, using exponents write these numbers m multiply m multiply m multiply m multiply m. You should write this multiplication in short form or exponential form. Next one is minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. Next one is minus 7 into minus 7. Next number is 9 multiply 9 multiply 9 multiply 9. Next question is 3 by 5 multiply 3 by 5 multiply 3 by 5 multiply 3 by 5. Okay, thank you.